Okay, I'm going to show you a great little grading tip in Schoology. So here I have an assignment here that has received 22 out of 34 submissions. Normally I'd have to scroll down, find who I need to grade. I mean, it is obvious as they are highlighted needs grading, but here's really simple. This is clickable, and I just click, look at this, needs grading. There you go. Just those two students show up. I can scroll through those two. If some students had turned it in late, I could click there, grade them all at the same time. I can see who has not submitted the work quickly and easily. Okay, again, this is everyone that had turned it in, but I can easily sort it in any one of these ways, which makes grading much easier.